type means class. Type means class. Now reusability is one of the striking feature of object-oriented programming language. Apart from your data security, abstraction, encapsulation, reusability is one of the striking features. Reusability means using existing type while defining a new type. In other words, using existing class while defining new class. It can be achieved in two ways. It can be achieved in two ways. One is composition or aggregation. The difference we will see afterwards. Composition or aggregation, that is called as Hazer relationship, and the other is inheritance, which is Isser relationship. So reusability means when you are designing a new class, you realize that one class is existing and that can be reused. So that is called as reusability. Using existing type while defining a new type or while designing a new type. Type means class. It can be achieved by two ways: composition or aggregation, which is called as Hazer relationship; inheritance, which is called as Isser relationship. To go for composition or aggregation when you want to use some of the functionalities of existing type inside new type. Now, there are two ways for achieving reusability. In order to achieve reusability, there are two ways. एक है composition aggregation, Hazer relationship, and दूसरा है inheritance, Isser relationship. Which is to use when is an important question. Which is to use when is an important question. You can't say both are available, so I will use any technique I will use. No. Hazer relationship you should use when you want to use functionality of existing type inside new type. When you want to use just a functionality, some functionality of existing type inside new type. For example, while designing car, you would reuse engine by composition or aggregation, because car is not engine, it just needs some functionalities of engine. So that means, suppose you have class engine, existing class, already someone has defined class engine, and engine has got one of the methods start. So engine is existing class, engine is existing type. One fine day, you decide to design car. One fine day, you decide to design car, and you realize car needs engine. Car needs engine, but engine class is already existing. So why not reuse it inside car? Yes, but at that time, what will you choose? You will choose inheritance, you will choose Isser or Hazer. Isser
Has a composition.
relationship.
Has a
functionality.
Correct.
Car has
See,
a
Add use करेंगे sir function.
why will you choose Hazer? Because you will think, is car engine? No, car is not engine. Car requires functionality of engine. Car requires functionalities of engine. Car is not engine, so you will go for Hazer relationship. So inside car you will say engine E is equal to new engine. And somewhere, in some code, you will say E dot start. So car uses start functionality of engine. Car would like to use some of the functionalities of engine. Car is not engine. That's why between car and engine, which relationship you will have? You can say car has car has engine. At the same time, you have one more class existing or a class है four-wheeler. In that also some code is there, some data is there. Now, one fine day, you decide to design car and you realize that four-wheeler existing hai. Now, car and four-wheeler, what kind of relationship you have? You start thinking, you start thinking, is car engine, is car four-wheeler? Yes, car is a four-wheeler. When you get that answer, yes, car is a four-wheeler, you go for inheritance. In Java, inheritance ka syntax hai extends. So look at that. Car is four-wheeler. So whenever you get answer, is new type same as existing type? Yes, you go for inheritance. New type same as existing type? No, but new type would like to have some of the functionalities of existing type? Yes, you go for has a relationship. You should not misuse is and has. Other example I would like to give you. Other example. This is one example. Second, another example. We have class weapon. Weapon has got method attack. Attack करते हैं ना weapon से. And we have one more class existing called as person. It has got some data. Name, address, age, etc. And now, one fine day, you decide to design soldier. Bolo, how will you use reusability here?
Person is a soldier.
Soldier is a person.
Has weapon.
Is a soldier mat bolo.
Person is a soldier.
Soldier is a person.
Person is a soldier mat bolo.
Soldier is a
Soldier
person.
is a person.
Soldier has a weapon.
Yeah.
The person and soldier has a
correct.
weapon.
Yeah.
soldier has weapon.
हाँ. See, person is a soldier नहीं बोल सकते because every person is not a soldier. Soldier is a person बोल सकते हैं because every soldier is a person. So you realize that soldier is a person. So between soldier and person, you go for inheritance relationship. And you think soldier is weapon? No, soldier is not weapon. At least in India, soldier is not weapon.
Soldier has.
But
Soldier has a weapon.
soldier requires functionalities of weapon. So soldier has
Weapon.
weapon W is equal to new weapon. And somewhere soldier will attack with that. This is the important decision to be taken while going for usability. So whether new type is same as existing type, yes, go for inheritance. New type is not same as existing type, you can't go for inheritance, you have to go for hazard. And hazard mein there are two things, either composition or aggregation. So composition and aggregation discussion we'll do later. Now our main focus is inheritance. Our main focus will be on inheritance. So what is inheritance? Yeah, read that. The ability for a new class to be created from an existing class by extending it is known as inheritance. The ability for a new class